In this video, I'm going to let you know if Credit Karma is accurate, and the short answer is yes. Yes, Credit Karma is generally accurate as a tool for monitoring parts of your credit profile, but it's important to understand what is accurate and what isn't. So Credit Karma is accurate for actual credit data from two bureaus. Credit Karma pulls your credit reports and scores directly from TransUnion and Equifax, two of the three major credit bureaus in the United States. That means the information you see, such as accounts, balances, and payment history reported to those bureaus, is based on real data and is generally accurate for what it shows. It's helpful for tracking trends, like whether your score is trending up or down, or whether new accounts or inquiries show up on your report. Now let's talk about the limitations of Credit Karma, because it's really important to know. So the score you see on Credit Karma is not the same score most lenders use. Credit Karma uses the Vantage Score 3.0 model, not the more widely used FICO score that most lenders, especially for mortgages, auto loans, etc. use. So the number you see on Credit Karma can be different, sometimes significantly, from the score a lender sees. Also, scores can differ slightly if a lender pulls your credit at a different time than Credit Karma updates it, because credit information can change when new update is reported. So unfortunately, Credit Karma will not give you the full, definitive, or full picture. You still need to go ahead and keep track of your FICO score. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.